Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and on the second or third page we find the screen recording toggle, as you can see right over here. So once you locate it, simply tap on it. This will give us the limited options, so we have the options for audio recording. You have microphone, device, or both, and obviously the toggle to record audio or not record audio in general. Now when it comes down to recording both device and microphone, I do recommend using some headphones for this, otherwise you will have some unwanted echo effect where the microphone picks up the speaker. And below that we have the show touches on the screen, so this will just record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display, so it's visible in the recording. I'll turn it on so you can just see how that looks like, and from there I'm going to select start. It starts the countdown from 3, and as you can see it's now recording. So whatever app you open right now will be recorded, although it might be limited. Things like Netflix will not be recorded, or it will, but just a black screen, so keep that in mind. And once you're done with your screen recording, pull down your notifications, tap to stop, and there you go. So that stopped recording gets automatically saved to your Photos application, and you can see it right over here. You can see this grayish dot that was my finger. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.